So welcome guys back to our channel Beginners Lab. In today's video, we are going to cover new topic. Today we are starting basically a new thing that is known as an S3 bucket. So basically most of you guys must be knowing, but those who are newcomers, I would like to tell you something. Let's open a diagram to make things easier. See, have you heard about database management system? DBMS, your backend where you store your data. S3 is a kind of similar to that thing. You can say that S3 is a storage bucket. As the name suggests, S3 bucket. It's type of a storage device where we upload our files, folders, images, and many much things. Later we can get access to them. So see here, AWS config events, then CloudWatch, then Lambda trigger. For example, you have created with an IP addresses that everyone can see. You can have a trigger. So you have to pay for those functions whenever your S3 bucket is opened, when you are retrieving the data from S3 buckets, or you are inserting the data in your S3 bucket. Not inserting properly, it means uploading the data. Okay. So this is a basic diagram which I got, but there was nothing special in that. So let's begin with our practical. Firstly, click on S3 bucket. Means you have to search in the console bar. You guys know those are basic things. And if you haven't seen our previous video, go and have a look. So you have to click on the create bucket. So we are here, general configuration. Let's leave it on general purpose. Now S3 bucket name. Be sure guys, this name shouldn't be same. Throughout the global, it shouldn't be same. Means globally the name cannot be same. If the name is same, then you cannot open this thing. So today we will just upload a simple file in our S3 bucket, and then we will just see that how the things are working. So basically after this video I'm going to show a project based on S3 only. Okay, we will try to launch a static website. So I will just create one static website. Now see, block all accesses setting for this bucket. ACL stands for access control list. So see what I am doing, it was already blocked, let it be blocked, so that I don't want to give it a public access. I'm blocking it from everywhere. See here, public access to bucket objects, public access to buckets object through any access control, new access control, new public bucket, then bucket pub, then bucket, yeah, these things are so much complicated. See, when you are working in a company, you want to give the permissions to few people, those who you want that they should only see. Means like I'm having any control list, I'm having previously assigned ACL list. So what I will do, I will give in that only permission, so no other can see. See what happened basically here, when we are clicking on our S3 object, when we are opening it, we need to pay something. So whenever there will be more clicks, more downloading and uploading, so there will be more charge. So we are creating for demo, so let's leave it a block only. But I'm just giving you a roughly idea. Your company will tell you that which access list you want to give. Bucket versioning, your versioning you want to enable or disable. I don't want it. You will just upload a simple picture only. So default security, there are two types basically. Then dual layer is something other. These both can be same as similar, but we will use S3 only. You can see the pricing also, as you will increase, the pricing will also increase. So bucket key we don't need. Let's go in the object lock. No, somewhere we need to lock our object so no one can write it. So see, my bucket is created. We have created a bucket, name Bigness Lab Demo Class. Click on the bucket. So what? So guys, we have opened our upload settings. Here we have two options of add files or add folder. You can directly add folder from your PCs, lapis, or whatever you are using, or we can add a file. Let's add a simple file. So let's add this file only which I was using. Okay, so this doesn't mean that this is uploaded. Go down, we have set the destination details. Nothing we need currently. Grant permissions, we don't need priority. No. See here you can have a look that how the things cost us. See standard we are using availability zone is less than 3 or equal to 3, minimum storage duration is not there, nothing is there. But as you increase like here, then per GB fees charges may apply and we don't know how many are there. So you don't need to do anything. I'm just opening for a reference. Okay. So now what happened? Our photo is uploaded. Let's go back. See, this is our photo. We'll go to bucket. We'll click on bucket. We'll click on our photo. So we'll click on this. Oh, what happened? See, you remember when we have blocked, all the users were blocked. We have not unchecked that. So this is that. Access denied. Access denied. We have denied by the access. You cannot access the object like this here when you have blocked all the things. So you must be thinking how we would do like Amazon ARN also we used to do, but this also settings we have blocked, this also. Every setting is blocked. If you want to see that what is inside, just click on this one, open. This will be working, so it is too zoomed in now. So see, this was the image which I was teaching you. This I have uploaded and this is uploaded perfectly. So from here I can download also, copy also. But you can copy anything if you will just paste here also, nothing will be happening. See, some random website game. Nothing will work just because I have given the permission only to my bucket. I am having the bucket control. I am the root manager of this. I have created this bucket. I am having all the permissions and I am the only one who is able to access it. So hope this video finds you well. In our next video, we are going to start our a basic static website project I will be doing here. So not much. See, there are more directory buckets, IAM. These things I use them, but not as frequently as I use them. So let's drop this idea for the time. But now, main thing, delete a bucket. Okay. If you think you can select here and delete the bucket, you cannot delete the bucket like this. First, you need to empty the bucket. So go back. You can click on that button also, but I will go here. Click here, delete. So delete the object, permanently delete. This is my shortcut which I am using. I used to copy paste a lot. Okay, successfully object has been deleted. So what we will do? Close it. Go back to your bucket. Click on the bucket. Delete your bucket. It's asking me to write the name. See, it cannot be undone. You need to raise. These are warnings. Because when you are in a major project, these warnings are a second type of thing. So our S3 bucket is deleted. What we have learned today: created a bucket, uploaded an object, then we have seen the access to that object. In next video we will be doing a public one. Today we have done a private one. In next video we will be doing a static website in public origin. So I will do this all the steps again. That's a bit long video, but make sure guys, if you are making any project using S3 buckets, that's the perfect video. You can upload a static website only with S3 only. No need to go with other services. So okay, bye guys, thanks for watching, and I will be really hoping that you guys commenting on the next video that for which thing you requires the video, because for me I am creating for starter ones, for a beginner ones, so they have an idea from where to start and where to stop. Okay guys, thanks for all.